Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn essay New Year. New Year is celebrated throughout the world. It is celebrated just like a festival. It brings happiness on the face of millions of people across globe. New Year is celebrated by kids, teenagers, elders as well as old people around the world. In almost all schools and educational institutions, the winter vacation announced from the day of Christmas to New Year on 1st January. New Year is the first day of the year and it is the last day of the winter vacations that commence from Christmas. New Year is considered to be the most important and wonderful holiday. A new calendar year begins during this time. The new year of the Gregorian calendar today is worldwide use falls on 1st January. Please like my video and subscribe my channel Our Knowledge.